What's up, everyone? It's Cannoli here. Just wanted to take some time and go through some really just focus on the technical things I'm seeing in the markets going into this upcoming week, with April ending and going into May. Normally, historically, April is a pretty green month across all of the indexes across crypto, and we've kind of seen the exact opposite this month. But I do think that there's some momentum left in the tank here. Just going to share a few observations. Start off with the Bitcoin monthly chart here. We really broke above these all-time highs that we saw in 2021, um, and have really we really haven't dipped much. We're really holding these all-time highs with an inside monthly bar here. So really important. I want to note that no matter how far we've gotten down to the downside this month, we have not broken the low of the previous month, and we've stayed within the high of the previous month as well here. I really do love these setups because oftentimes we can expect, especially with these wicks here. See how this wick indicates there's a lot of buying off the lows of this month. It is possible that we just see a massive trailing green bars like these ones here once going into May here. Wouldn't surprise me. Really like to focus on time frame continuity too. So if you go to the weekly chart, we've really just been consolidating above the 2021 all-time highs here. Really moving well with these moving averages. This, crypto in nature is volatile, so we've seen some. What is this? Around a 20% dip from the all-time highs here. What exactly is it? Around an 18 to 20% dip here from the all-time highs. But it's normal in these crypto bull runs, and it's what keeps me bullish here is that these really just are riding these EMA lines here. And when you look at risk to reward and quantifying risk to reward here, I mean, you really you can risk this blue line if you're looking to get in now. You can dollar cost average into this 50-day EMA here. But I mean, historically in bull runs, we've really rode these 20-day EMAs. I mean, how long was this last one for? 266 days. I mean, even before that, it was still riding it here. Almost a year. So I do think we could see this just start to pick momentum up as we get closer to this EMAs, and they have been consolidating for a bit. Just going into the daily here, just clean kind of consolidation within this channel. So if you're looking to play ranges here, you could just play this $60,000 point if you're looking for short-term trades and play it up to the all-time high. But if you're looking for a more long-term setup, don't see this thing really dipping below around 4,800 here. But in my opinion, we just like you've seen here, we tested the 20 and the 50, bounced back up with nice returns. So me personally, I'd love to play this momentum as we've seen bullish trends on both the daily, the weekly, and the monthly charts. Going into Solana real quick. I want to keep these on the shorter side. Looking at a monthly chart here, same thing, inside monthly bar. We're actually sitting and hovering around the all-time highs here, but one thing that really catches my attention is just this daily, and you can kind of see it on the weekly, this trend here of it just riding this uptrend, riding the 20-day EMA here. Bounced perfectly off these inflection points here and retested, which we like to see. We don't like to see these things move parabolically, or they tend to fall more in the short term. But I can really see us just riding this trend line here as we push into the summertime here, and maybe start to catapult after. And that's kind of what we want to see. We don't want to see these really short term short duration parabolic moves to the upside. Um, One thing that does concern me on the daily here is that we did bounce up and retest this EMA here, but I mean, just don't see a lot of selling momentum as we kind of sit at a major inflection point at 122 and are kind of staying within a tight range here at around 140. Um, if we do get another dip, I'm really, as the closer we play to this yellow line, the better the trade gets until we get confirmation that it breaks. But I mean, it's really been playing this trend for a while now. We're starting to get some price discovery here. This thing's really starting to fan outwards, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see this 259 all time high in the short term and really carry upwards here in the long term. So yeah, these are the two trades I'm looking at in crypto. We'll bring out some more plays as we start looking into the meme coins and seeing what we can if the Solana meme coin bull run is over, if we still got some gas left in the tank. But yeah, thank you all for checking it out.